Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you caught last episode, you got to see Eric ding his shin really hard. You got to see us get some more rad downhill. We even got some double track downhill that was pretty fun. We hid from a storm. We survived the storm. And when I left you guys, James had gotten a flat.
Flat.
Now that you're all caught up, let's keep riding.
Yeah, there was some chunk. One time I was like, whoa, you got a lot of riding left to do.
Fucking fast, dude.
That was fun. You got bacon strips?
No, but it's not a hole, dude.
I'm sure. Did somebody already say how many YouTubers does it take to change a tire?
A few people.
Yeah.
It's kind of hailing a little bit.
Hunker down.
Yep. Just had to wash my hands. We finally got the tube in there fixed. The second tube. First one was pinched, but I had to wash my hands. And this is by far and away the coldest water I've ever felt in my life. Like, no joke. Super, super cold. Now I gotta traverse back through here without falling in the mud.
Let's do it.
All right, crisis averted.
Let's go kick some.
Onward.
Really good on pets that have like...
It's gonna get muddy. And now it's dry. How about that? Big rocks.
Lens wipe.
Lens wipe.
Lens wipe. Damn YouTubers.
This looks janky. Low bridge. Oh yeah. Saddle is up. All right, I'm all alone now. Probably prudent to wait. Hopefully nobody biffed it. You. Oh, did you see that deer? Big old deer. Run, chipmunk, run! What the hell is a bird? It's crazy. All right, everybody's here. Whoa, bunny hop. chipmunks! Oh my God, I think I killed a chipmunk. All right, he made it. I saw him. Oh, rocks for days. Whoa, that was close.
Damn! Badass.
That's a pretty intimidating view. This is the view I'm talking about.
Dirt, rocks, hail.
Big rocks,
Oh, hail.
mountain. Whoa! This is some crazy rocky trail. It's like everything's moving underneath me. Oh! I don't trust any grip to turn. Hard right! Hard right!
Oh, good bridge! Yes!
What's that? Yeah. Yeah, we go from riding really loose rock to really slick rock. And chunked. Oh, damn it. I chose wrong. Not only we got slick rocks, we got slick roots now. Oh, which way? Where?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. When we got down to the start of the rainbow section of this trail, I was really contemplating taking the Jeep road down with Eric and Joseph. I wasn't gonna be back in Colorado anytime soon to ride this trail again, so I just sucked it up and we pushed forward. The rainbow section is going to be the fourth and final installment of my Monarch Crest epic series with the gimbal crew. Hope you subscribed and hit the bell notification so you don't miss that last video and more videos to come. And until next time, thanks for watching.